Well, it's 5:30. Took all day. Well, what my days are anymore. But in any case, chassis number 2 is mechanically assembled. The adapters are on, and all the wheels are on, axles, and lubed and aligned, and it rolls very nice. And we're going to start stuffing it and wiring it tomorrow. The tenders are hot. That is, the all-wheel pickup is installed. I used my fixture to do the wiring assembly thing, and that seemed to come out. I'm struggling with my wheels and axles. The supplier really gave me some bad parts. I'm going to do the best I can, and then I may have to send replacements later. We'll have to see. I did put it on the track and roll it. And on the big track with the wide turns, just coasts like a dream. On the short track with the tight turns, no. It actually jumps off on the front like it did. And what I'm finding is these wheels are cocked just as far as they can go in the tight turns. And when I'm rolling it, it's friction. You can feel it. The wheels want more. They want more motion than they're allowed to get because of the skirt and the fact that they're low. I know you guys don't want it higher, so what only thing I can do is give us a notch in that skirt. Now I'm going to try to give it the notch and leave the outside layer, just put in a divot, kind of like, like you hit it with a 5-iron on the soft grass after a wet day. I'm going to see if I can do that and get by. If it's still not doing what I need, then I'm going to have to get more dramatic, okay? And then tomorrow I'm going to put in the power board, power distribution board, the motor controller, sound system, put on the buck boost boards, and wire power up into everything, and I'll do a power check, probably the first thing, see how far I get. But I have the other wheels fully assembled for tender assembly number 3. And I also have the elongated, another elongated part that I can use for the buck boosts. I don't have the printed. I don't have the sound box printed for everybody, but I have a design, okay, and I have all the parts I need to do the next truck. In fact, some parts are on the machine, some parts are right here. I should have all the parts with the axles for the number 3. And then the engines are assembled. They've been quietly sitting over there with track laying on top of them. Oh, God. And their triggers are not activated. So I need to assemble the triggers and test those out, and then hook them up to the tender when it's assembled, and then we can start doing some testing on all 3 engines at the same time. Meanwhile, we'll have to drill some new holes here and there to test some things out. All right, gotta run. Slow day. The Redskins won their game against the Titans. I felt really bad for Tennessee. It was 42-19, and boy, they just could not do anything. I know the Redskins are supposedly better. They're not that good. Titans must be hurting for players, all I can think of. But in any case, sad day for them, good day for us. And Virginia got whooped by Virginia Tech. Big upset for me anyway. I thought Virginia'd do better, but it was bad. And I don't know what else went on, but okay. Oh, Notre Dame won. That was cool. I think Georgia Tech might have won, beat USC. Or I think USC wore them out. I don't know. They went like 8 overtimes. Can't remember if they won or not now. Okay. Good football this week. All right. That's it. I'm done. No action. Just rolling it on the track, make sure everything works and it doesn't on the short curves, and I'll do more tuning. So you guys are going to get your parts. You'll see grind marks on them, but I'm sorry. Okay. It's the way it is. First one's around. Okay. Later.